Buick's going slow. This thing with the trailer's going slow. The fucking Lincoln's going slow. Expired paper plate 7/10 of 21. Expired paper plate 1/14 of 21. Come on, hit the bump, hit the rough terrain, do it, do it, do it. Oh yeah. Also expired paper plate 5/14 of 21. Expired paper plate 7/13 of 21.
Left.
Some weird paper plate that I'm going to assume is expired. It is laminated though. Ran the red light. Stop next time, Kia. That sign says stop. This motherfucker's still here. He was here fucking this morning. All day long. All fucking day long. And he's still wearing the same shit. Oh my god, his man boobs are hanging out. Oh my god. That was a weird turn, Mr. BMW driver. Why are you hitting the brakes now? This guy does not know how to fucking drive. What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Bro, you cannot make that left turn, Mr. Hyundai Venue from Florida with his expired fucking tag from 6 of this year, expired June of 21. This light's been green for hells. Why is nobody moving? Oh, really? Now you're going to turn left? You could have made that earlier. You chose not to. Are we going to go? What are you doing? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with these drivers? Oh, he finally knows how to green light. He didn't know how to green light a second ago. Also, expired paper plate on the silver Grand Am. Oh, another expired paper plate in front of me. Expired paper plate 10/6 of 2020. Expired Illinois paper plate up ahead on the Crown Vic. Oh look, an expired Illinois paper plate. 15. So it's technically tomorrow, but tomorrow's a Sunday, so DMV ain't open. So expired. And I'm going to go ahead and narrate this. I actually lost the bean footage for the front. It wasn't recording. But anyway, as you can see, there's a solid line to the left of the screen because this goes from 2 lanes to 1 lane, and this freaking truck does the old right-hand trick. The light is just about to turn green, and this guy comes up hauling ass, and then he freaking right-hand tricks everybody behind me, including me, and I do blow the horn at him and flip him off because he's a piece of shit. So that is what it is. But there he goes, right-hand tricks.